more snow outside. I'll make a snow angel. First, I need to jump, then get ready. Guys, I'm ready to go outside in the snow. Hello guys, the snow now. It's so beautiful. Oh, there's the mysterious cupboard. I can't even believe it. And now I don't know where to go. Colorating, so I need to here. It's super snowing today. It's super snowing, so look at this big shovel out there, guys. This can be the slide.
Yeah.
The slide. I'm sitting over there. There will be a slide, okay? This is awesome. That was cool! My daddy's car is in the snow. I make the slide, right? Okay. My friend's name's Cece, and I play with this like a pin. I can
Litter box.
litter box. So this is the litter box. You know I like to play. So you get it's chick-tack. Wait, no! How did you get here to do that? Now I'm stuck. I can't get out anymore. I need some help. Please capture me. Guys, I'm getting out now. someone is coming. I need to go outside.